Junior Rubber Industries, established in 1993, manufacture paver block molds for wet cast concrete pavers tiles, molds for precast boundary walls.
Precast production using rubber molds have many advantages compared to molds of metal, wood, FRP or other plastic materials. But large size rubber molds are not readily available in world market. JR Rubber Industries is now developing more complex and large molds, apart from existing molds, to fulfill the needs of global construction requirements. Recently, we have introduced rubber mold for compound wall, pillar and partition wall. We focus on developing complex and larger molds.
We manufacture 3 kinds of molds: rubber molds, PVC molds, plastic molds for a wide range of concrete products. We supply machines for paving block production, chemicals, plasticizers, hardeners, iron oxides, provide in-plant trainings and technical support to establish paver plant anywhere in the world. We are located in Kerala State, India. We are your destination for all your paver and precast production needs. By supplying high-quality products and services through the years, we are the most trusted name in the industry.
We are specialized in the manufacturing of rubber molds, PVC molds, plastic molds for floor tiles, wall tiles and a wide range of concrete products. There are some unique products which we develop in rubber molds, whose commercial production can only be achieved in rubber molds. We are located in Kerala State, India. The factory is established in 1994. At present, our client base extends to all states of India and 34 countries worldwide. We provide clients with complete assistance to establish paver, precast factories and turnkey solutions. When starting a new factory or upgrading to a next level production, clients are always in a dilemma: how to get the right kind of molds, how to source the right machinery, the right chemicals, the right skilled technical persons and the technical know-how. We provide everything you require under one roof. We handhold each client with personalized attention to detail. We have strong client base in Africa, GCC countries and Southeast Asia. In Africa, we are in association with local machinery manufacturers, chemical dealers, thereby achieving local service and support for our customers. We believe our job is complete only if every client is making the right products and establishing into flourished businesses.
We have clients in all states of India and 33 countries worldwide. We can ship molds, machines and chemicals to any location. Our range of products includes rubber molds and PVC paver molds for pavers, tiles, curbs, cover blocks, polypropylene plastic molds, pavers and other customized products, paver production line, mini paver plant, semi-mechanized paver plant, fully automatic paver plant, chemicals and color oxides. Our shipments are done worldwide direct from our production units in India. Nearest seaport, Cochin, just 60 km from our factory. We continuously work to innovate and develop new products. We are well equipped with a skilled team of rubber technologists, engineers, designers passionate about developing new products and improving the existing ones. Our managing director is a passionate rubber technologist himself. We assist you to choose the right kind of mold, designs, quantity, the right kind of machines, chemicals. We train your team for the best economical and commercial production. We have engineering team based at Nairobi to assist our clients in East Africa by on-site fabrication of machinery and trial production. We have technical team at Niamey, Niger, Da Nang, Vietnam for trainings and erection of paver factories. We have strong client base in Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Somalia, Rwanda, Zambia, Malawi, Zimbabwe, Niger. In GCC countries, millions of our molds are in use at Bahrain, Riyadh, Oman, Jeddah, extending to Lebanon, and in Southeast Asia, Vietnam, Indonesia, Malaysia, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal. With an experience of 25 years in the industry, we have the answers for your paver production needs. Let your business model be any of these, be it a corporation looking to diversify your activities, or you are planning for a startup or expanding your range of products and activities in the construction industry. We are here to assist you.